Okay, and so this time we're going to do another couple trial runs so we can get the vacuum adjusted to where we need it. And we're going to use the vacuum regulator on the back of the machine. So here goes the first experiment. Alright, and that gives us a really loose pack. And we're going to turn the vacuum regulator up just a little bit. Okay, so that time we got a pretty nice pack, but I'm going to dial it back ever so slightly. So again, with the vacuum regulator adjusted, okay, so now you have a really loose pack, and we'll maybe just crank it up a little tiny bit more. Okay, so now we've got a very loose pack. Let's just dial in the heat setting and seal this one at this setting. Okay, so this is sealing and cooling, and we have a much softer pack than we had before, so we aren't bending the reels.